Welcome to another aspect of building a WooCommerce store. How to upload to your online store. On your WordPC dashboard, click on Product. Click Add New. First thing you have to do is to add product name of the product you want to upload. Here is a men's native attire. Then add some description of the product. Add your regular price and sale product. Both are different. Regular price is the normal price. Then you indicate the product categories. Add product tag for the product in question. Then insert product image for the product. Then thereafter you preview the product. You just upload to see whether everything is okay. Whether you will be editing after that. Then click Publish. Then thereafter you click View Product to see how it appears. This is the product after it has been uploaded. This is how it looks. So, that's all. Thanks for watching.